impressive today. You obviously take a lot of that. That's, I think, 5 or 6 in a row against the Springboks since last year this time?
I don't know. Yeah, well, this is our very game last year. They cowed us up by 29 points. But yeah, we've had a good run since then. A lot of close games.
You lost a couple of guys to the Wallaby tour, but it seems like the youngsters have stepped in and really done well today for you.
Yeah, they have. Yeah, look, we've got 4 players from last year in the squad of 12, so we've got 8 debutants, and I think they did particularly well.
And just looking at, obviously Australia is going through quite a nice period now in Sevens rugby. Are you guys ready to make a step up to be mentioned the same breath every week as the Fijis and the New Zealands?
I mean, that's the ultimate game, the aim, yes, definitely. And we're getting consistency in our game now. You know, we managed to finish 3rd last year, and we want to try and stay up at the top end of the draw, the top line of the draw. Yeah.
England tomorrow, big game?
It is a big game, yeah. We always have a tussle against them, and old rivals, so really looking forward to it.
Good luck for tomorrow.
Thank you.